I'm going to tell you 10 ways you can start thinking like a product manager. What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another video. My name is Alex. If you're new to this channel and you want to learn about product management, business, finance, how to get into the top tech companies, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Also, smash the like button to help this video get to more people interested in building and product management. If you're interested in career in product management, make sure to check out the video of how to break into the product management role. After that, come back and then we'll talk about how to start thinking like a product manager. So let's get started. The first important thing to keep in mind is to wonder about everything. Not just on the job, but in your daily life. Have an open mind about new concepts, ideas, people, places, and things. Wonder about everything. Consider everything. Be a philosopher if you can. A product manager combines a lot of things in order to make meaningful progress. So be interested in lots of different topics. Be interested in hearing news on lots of different fields, just for the purpose of being as well-rounded as you can about the world and the people in it. The second piece is to look for a deeper meaning. Don't just take surface insights. Don't just assume something is obvious because you've spent 5 minutes researching the topic. Look for deeper meaning behind everything that you see and everything that you hear. There's a lot of subconscious reasons for human behavior. A lot of history tends to repeat itself. Don't settle for surface level of insights. Think deeper. That gets us to the third thing you can do to start thinking like a PM, and that is to think about improving all aspects of life. The things and products that you interact with on a day-to-day basis. Think about how you can improve these experience, products, situations as much as possible and tinker with it as much as possible. Did you just try out a new product? Think about how it can be made better. Zoom giving you trouble? Think about how you can improve it. I've got a whole video talking about 10x thinking and why it's important for product managers. Make sure to check that out separately here. And don't stop on the first level of insight also. Don't just analyze a product for 5 minutes and think it's obvious that we need to do A, B, and C. Usually, if that's not being done, if the products that you think can be easily improved with 3 things are not being improved day after day, month after month, maybe something else is going on. So again, don't stop at the surface level of insight. Think about what may be going on that is preventing the product team from making these changes. It might lead you to interesting decisions. Sometimes it also highlights the fact that certain product teams are more inept than others and can't do the right thing. But more often than not, a lot of the products are done by smart people like yourself. And for some reason, they're not doing it. And it might lead you down interesting paths and uncover interesting situations if you think about, okay, it's obvious I want to do this, this, and this, but it's not being done. Why is that? Tinker with that and see if you can figure out some alternate solutions, maybe some edge cases, something you're not seeing. So don't jump to conclusions. By the way, if you're building a company or a side business, you are the product manager. So make sure to share this video with your builder friends. Now that you're always thinking about improving every aspect of everything that you interact with on a day-to-day basis, your morning commute, food pickup or food ordering, how you do your laundry, how you deal with your kids, how you go to college, phone, the apps on your phone, the financial products, transportation system, the school system, government, it can lead you down a lot of questions, which is good. You want to be thinking about how you can improve all these things so that you can make life better for people. You can solve the problems that people have. And constantly tinkering with different experience. Now, think about it also from the point of view of the product, but also this next piece is how to get quick wins. So think about it from the business side of things. How can you make the best improvements, the best 3, 4, 5 improvements that are going to give the business the biggest impact? They're going to be able to give the most value to the users and therefore have the company extract the most value from the users. For instance, what are the most meaningful things that you would do for this particular product? And think about that. That's the idea of low-hanging fruit, quick wins, right? How would you maximize impact in the shortest amount of time possible for every product or service? The next one is to ask why all the time about everything. Why do users do the things that they do? Why is this product built the way that it is? What's the actual motivation underneath some decisions that the user makes or that we make as humans? Ask why all the time, be inquisitive, and try to go, again, deeper level of why. Always ask why. Ask why to yourself. Why are you interested in whatever you're interested in? Why are you looking to get into product management? By the way, I also have a video talking about how to know whether you're going to make it as a product manager. What are the key characteristics of a product manager that'll tell you if this role is a good fit for you? Check that out right there. The next one could be the most important one of all, and that's have empathy. Be kind to people. It sounds like something that actually all of us should do anyway, but be kind to people and actively listen, actively try to understand what their problems are. Be open and empathic to the stories that you hear every day from friends, family, coworkers, other people in the YouTube comments. By the way, having empathy is one of the key skills that you need to have as a product manager. For now, we're focused on how to start thinking as a product manager, but check out this video if you want to know the top 10 skills of a product manager. Next way you can start thinking as a product manager is to finish what you start. Try to set reasonable goals in a way that you can actually achieve them, and try not to leave too many things undone. Unless, of course, you asked why enough times to uncover that there really is no reason to be doing this thing. But as a general rule, try to finish what you start. Product managers must execute, must launch, must get things done. And so learn to be tenacious, learn to persevere, and see things through. And of course, set the right goals so that you're not setting yourself up to fail. As a follow-up to this, another important way to start thinking as a product manager is to consider alternatives. Consider different ways, different approaches, different solutions to a particular problem. Don't stop at one. Try to see if you can come up with multiple options to solve a certain problem, and then try to figure out a way that you can actually evaluate each option against the others. How are you going to make that choice? How are you going to be able to compare apples to oranges? The next way to start thinking like a product manager is to exercise your decision-making muscles. Make more decisions, make decisions faster, and learn how to make decisions when you don't have all the data, or sometimes when you have very little or none of the data. Decision-making can be learned, and so you need to practice decision-making. You need to practice thinking about making decisions and making as many decisions as possible, as quickly as possible, given the amount of data that you have. Practice getting the right information that you need to make a decision, getting the minimal amount of information that you need to make an optimal decision. Make decisions about everything, every day, and you'll learn how to think as a product manager. And if you like this video, make sure to smash the like button, and of course, subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you don't miss anything. Let me know down in the comments which one of these you're gonna start doing today, and share this video with other folks that might be interested in building product. Next, check out a day in the life of a Google product manager, or check out this playlist on how to build the best product manager resume. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next time.